Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haba pasha ki kubur ya lekai. Hakani katayo layo ban sakhi ya ke lempong ya kop ya lekai basketball, ya ke balatip kum ke All Star Games. Ya kini kelempong lasdang naduk ke khatar tarik mentau benai kelalengkon ya ke bala penlong hamadan ya lekai jong ke Perlidiu Secondary School ke Badan Hapok Jayau Shillong. Hakani kesni sedang jong kini kelempong ya kop lekai basketball ke jekon jong ki kentai kelalong hapadang ke kenhon Yairi ke bala pelim no ya ke kenhon Yolinda kat bana ki kenhon jong ki sendrangpan ke kenhon Rilang kala pelim no ya ke kenhon Tori. Hakani kesni sedang ladang do ke jelekai jong ki kenaren ki bah hapadang kerta saw haduk khat asnam kerta kibadai nak Telilang Basketball Academy. Bat kene kelempong kan kon hadu ke arpo artrek mentau benai kelaleng kon arhajar kat kendai.
Have a 3-point shot. Come on, man. Slow down. Remember, you have 90 seconds. One point so far. Second shooters at the from the free throw line. She makes it. Now 3 points. Now from the 3 points. Okay, he makes it now. The half court heat. Hilang bawah Take the first one, 1 point out of the free throw line. Okay, second one will finish. Passing the 3 point line. Struggling to get it from the 3 point line. Take it down, focus. Take it down, slow down. Yes. Now from the low. Whoa, that was a good job. Team Milan gets the first possession. Passes to Wilson. Wilson with the crossover. Alvin on the ball. Good screen there. Takes a hop and slide layup, but no good. Dennis with the rebound. Great pass from Andre. Nice layup there from your ball. That's the first basket of the game. Geelong on the ball. 3-point shot. Misses. And an easy basket there for Gideon against his own teammates. I think they let him score that one. Finish from the 3 points and easy bounce all day. Oh, nice move there from Wilson. Shot misses, but rebound by the big man. A little too high for Dennis. Now Giddy on the ball. Good pass there to Wilson. Another great pass inside. Steal there from Wilson. Rebound and basket there from Dunbar. Andrew keeps the ball. Oh, great passing there. Back to Samuel. Nice side there from Samuel.
In the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with Chanel is taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime. This shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday underdog. He knows what all we do is stop making his way to the top. Camera on his name. He basket him was it. It doesn't stay for a man. He's like a girl's quick. Look at you, brother. Quickly from the shot of rock for reaching. He's cool up on the rise. Time because he writes every note and writes every line, and I've seen it before. He's on in his mind, it's like a design. It's written in his head before he even touches the key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with the kids that he signed, ridiculous. Without even concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50%.
Relang on the fast break. Oh my god. Oh, that's a shot. 3 points from the captain, Relang. Dennis brings the ball up. Is he going to answer the three? No, he can't. Tuckerman on the ball. And he shoots the three. This is badly. Sam on the ball.